guest co-host, Angela Yee. And you guys, it is time for her to roll up her sleeves and do a bit of what she does best on the Breakfast Club radio show. She's about to serve up some advice. It's time to Ask Yee.
Okay, Angela, we've got a juicy question for you. This comes from Angie Fleming in Moreno Valley, California, who watches us on Fox 11. Hi. She writes, "Hi, Angela. I need your advice. I have a friend who I think is talking about me behind my back. I don't know for sure, but I have a feeling that she's being pretty shady. Recently, her daughter came up to me and said, 'My mommy said your house is dusty.' Ooh. I was shocked. Whenever I call or talk to her, she's super nice to me, but I'm pretty sure she's faking it. A few months ago, she introduced me to a group of her friends that I became very close with, and she got jealous. The next thing I know, that entire group of friends has cut me off completely. She had to have stabbed me in the back and said something about me to them. I just know it. So, should I remain friends with her because I can't prove she's betrayed me? Or should I just trust my instincts and cut her off completely?"
Well, Angie, baby, listen. I think we have to realize what the definition of a friend is. I think we throw that word around too loosely sometimes. Yes. And if you feel like your friend has betrayed you, that's not really your friend. If you can't go to them and say, "What's going on? I feel like there's some tension in our friendship," that's not your friend. If you have those instincts, I think a lot of times we wait for proof of things when it comes to relationships, when it comes to our friends, when we really do need to trust our own instincts.
Let them know.
Our instincts are so on point. So why do I need to hire a detective?
Yeah.
Why do I need to stalk you on social media? Why do I need to do all of those things to find proof that you're not really my friend? It sounds like you already know there's not a real friendship. I don't trust you. Isn't a friendship based on trust?
Yes.
I can't rely on you. I don't trust you. All these people have cut me off. So I think it's pretty evident that's not really your friend.
Yeah.
Boom.
Thank you, Angela. And I kind of low-key think her friends are immature, too, right?
Yeah, it's a little shady, but those aren't friends. The definition of friend has to be stronger than that.
Hope that helped you out, Angie. Thank you so much.
It's a dusty friendship.
Bye.
That's right.
Yeah.
Those are just people you know.
You get a housekeeper for the dusty house, okay?